Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some rainy conditions across the region this morning. You can see that rain continuing to move off the coast as we move in the late morning, and especially once we move into about noon today, should see that rain and across the region. We'll see some breaks in the clouds this afternoon for some sunshine, possibly from time to time, and we'll see some warm conditions continuing today, seeing highs today expected in the upper 60s. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level at 10,100 feet, winds out of the south to west-southwest around 30 knots in the low levels, then becoming stronger as we move in the upper levels, seeing winds out of the west at 66 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we'll have a cold front moving through for later this evening. We'll have this rain shower activity continue to move off the coast today, and we'll have a slight chance of seeing a brief sprinkle with that cold front moving through once we move in the evening hours, but should remain dry afternoon today. So taking a look at our current radar imagery, you can see we do have some rain showers continuing to move through the region this morning. Going to see that activity move off the coast for later this morning into the afternoon hours. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see that derived reflectivity with the rain shower activity moving off the coast. And then once we move into the evening hours, you can see here right around 6 to 7 o'clock, possibility of a few sprinkles across the region. Once that cold front does move through, we'll see some slightly gusty northwesterly winds, and then winds will become more northerly overnight, ushering in a much cooler air mass across the region for Thursday, and we'll see some rain showers move back in the region, most likely after about 1 to 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and that'll continue through the afternoon hours tomorrow with a fairly damp and colder day across the region, temperatures remaining in the upper 30s for Thursday. Taking a look at the European route in the next few days, here is the system approaching for our Thursday, moving through, and then we'll have a weak area low pressure kind of remaining just off our coast for Thursday night and Friday, going to give us some low clouds as well as some light rain showers and some drizzle. Once we move into Friday, late morning, should see that area low pressure move north of our region. We'll see a cold front approaching from the west. It's going to give us more of a warm sector across the region, allow us to see some temperatures in the 50s for Friday afternoon before a cold front sweeps through with a chance of some rain showers early Friday afternoon. Once we move into Saturday, should see some drier conditions across the region, much colder across the area as the Arctic high builds in. And then for our Sunday, we'll see a disturbance moving south of the region. Right now, it looks like it should remain dry across the area. Some models are still showing the system providing us with some precipitation across the region for Sunday, but right now that looks fairly unlikely. And we move into our Monday, going to see another Arctic high build in, so some colder conditions for Monday, but that high does move off the coast for Tuesday, and that's going to allow us to see a warming trend for our Tuesday. As far as our risk chart goes today, we'll see a high around 67, a low tonight of 37, southwesterly winds gusting to 23 to 22 knots this afternoon, then becoming northwesterly to northerly overnight, and seeing those winds finally come northeasterly by tomorrow morning. We'll see some gusty winds with that cold frontal passage around 8 o'clock this evening, possibly gusting high as 21 to 22 knots. Once we move in the afternoon hours, as I mentioned, only a slight chance of seeing that sprinkle around 7 to 8 o'clock this evening, and then thereafter we should remain dry. Our winds will be just a slight chance of seeing that above 25 knots, about a 20% chance here, so highlighted with a yellow. As far as our terminal forecast goes, going to see some cloud cover around 10,000 feet today, primarily in the mid-levels. Could see some cloud cover around 6,000 feet this afternoon, but overall seeing VFR conditions today. And once we move into tomorrow morning, going to see cloudy conditions. Clouds move in overnight around 5,000 as well as 10,000 by tomorrow morning. Our tides are currently running slightly below normal, and for Thursday into Friday. Thursday, overcast rain likely during the afternoon and evening, chilly and slightly breezy, high of 39 degrees for Thursday night. Overcast, low clouds, rain likely, light rain likely, and drizzle. We'll see chilly conditions, a low of 37 early, then temperatures rising to lower 40s by dawn. And for Friday, low clouds, drizzle, and scattered rain showers through early afternoon, then decreasing cloudiness and breezy, high 58 degrees. We'll see that rain likely for Thursday, and then seeing about a 70-80% chance of those rain showers Thursday night into Friday, and winds should be gusting near 25 knots after that cold front moves through Friday afternoon. So for the next 7 days, we'll see those rain showers today, PM rain showers tomorrow, 80% chance, and then, as I mentioned, about a 70 to 80% chance of seeing that rain shower activity Thursday into Friday. And we'll see highs on Friday in the upper 50s right now. Could see that a little bit lower than is forecasted if those low clouds stick around a bit longer for Friday afternoon. Should see a decent amount of clearing right after that cold front moves through, allowing for our temperatures to bump up a few degrees for our Friday afternoon. Once we move into Saturday, seeing those temperatures back below normal at 42 degrees for high. Sunday, we'll see that system move south of our region, giving us the temperatures in the 50s. And then for Monday, back into the 30s for highs at 38. And for Tuesday, more seasonable with temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That'll complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.